Hello, welcome back again for another Inside Airo AI Builder. Last week in our Discord community, someone asked how to integrate real estate listings into their site built by Airo AI Builder. Real estate listings are in a database type of system called MLS. That is something that realtors throughout North America access to use. That is a database that real estate agents throughout North America use, but you could check for ones in your locale as well. Today, we're going to build out that answer, a Houston team brokerage-based site with live listings in Airo AI Builder, plus everything you'd need to get it ready for production. So you are looking at Magnolia City Homes on the screen. This one is done already, and you could see an example of one of the listings. Now, the site that I'm showing you, totally fake. The actual listings are real. We are using SimplyRETS today, SimplyRETS API, because they are providing the demo login that we need. Now, if you are a realtor or you build sites for realtors, they may have a different MLS method. So they all have a shared database so that they all can see what's open and available. However, we need to make sure that the actual listings themselves are the real deal. So Magnolia City Homes, totally fictional. So why are we creating this? Aside from the great question that was asked, in late 2025, it was discovered that 79% of agents believe that being discoverable via AI is critical to their success. The conversation has shifted in real estate. Real estate agents are looking towards AI builders. Houston also is the second most diverse large city in the U.S. The Houston Association of Realtors markets agents in 99 different languages. If there's one place where a website is needed that is not a corporate template, this is the market for that. And finally, 3, I want to be honest about what's hard about this. Real estate websites do actually have rules. Texas has rules. The National Association of Realtors has rules. You'll need to look up the rules for your area, but we're not going to skip that we can build a basic site in pretty quick time, even though we're following all of those rules. Up first, you'll want to get in and give it a prompt that tells it some basic information. You'll see on the done version, the version that I gave for the prompt, I still basically said, we're going to use SimplyRETS API at this time. And other than that, I want you to include some basic things about each of the areas. When the user clicks, give the full description, the school info, etc. And you could also go so far as to give it your color palette, although mine came through and asked me for that information. You might also have a logo or something to give it. By all means, get in and do so. You'll be prompted along the way to connect an API system. If you don't have one set up yet, I'll show you how to get one of those configured, but it's going to look like this. It says SimplyRETS API credentials. Now, again, the main reason we're using SimplyRETS is because they give us a demo to practice with. You might use a different realtor system to access the MLS database. There are lots of different ones out there, and I have experience at working with these in the WordPress space. But the first one that I came across that had an open API with some basic demo login credentials was SimplyRETS. You'll want to make sure that you are actually getting your real estate agent to subscribe to the appropriate corresponding system that they are authorized to use that gives them that API data. So you'll see that we don't have that in this other version of my site. I want to tell it, I want to integrate SimplyRETS for the MLS API. Can you help with that? And so it's going to ask me to enter in my key. And because I can see in the demo, this is what it is. You'll see that here I can enter in the value and paste that, and I will save the secrets. And we're back to my completed version of the site with SimplyRETS installed, active, and working. You can see that when I click through on any of the listings from my homepage, that I get 2 images, as well as the price, about the home, and school information. The kinds of details that you can show here are going to entirely depend upon what MLS provider you select and what they make available to you. But you could do things to prompt Airo AI Builder to tweak it for your needs. So for instance, if I wanted to understand a little more about any one of these things, I could have Airo AI Builder write a specific message that detects exactly which house we're looking at so that when somebody requests this information, that we're associating it with the specific listing that they were looking at. So we understand, oh, they were looking at the property on Majesty Street before they requested this information. I hope that this helps you start building your real estate websites with Airo AI Builder.